In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Command Siren SiXSIRENA. This Siren is compatible with these panels and requires four 1.5-volt AA non-rechargeable lithium batteries, which you can purchase from an online or local retailer. You'll know it's time to replace the batteries when you receive a low battery message on your system panel, touchscreen, or in your control app. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT monitoring center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your command panel or your touchscreen. Next, to access the battery compartment, you'll need to remove the Siren cover from its mounted location. To do this, gently grasp the front cover and turn it counterclockwise to separate it from the backplate. You may hear a tamper tone or see an error message on the panel. Don't worry, this is normal. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, remove the used batteries. Wait 10 seconds. Then insert the new batteries. Make sure they're placed in the device correctly, with the positive ends pointing toward the plus signs inside the device. Remount the Siren by aligning the cover over the backplate and turning it clockwise until it clicks in place. To clear the tamper alert and stop the beeping, go to your command panel and enter the appropriate code for your panel. That's it. You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Command Siren. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.